everyone, I won a giveaway from Miss Shana Nicole. I'll leave her channel down below as well as her Instagram, so you can check her channel out. Let's open this up. So here is a little giveaway that I won. This is such a cute little bag. I've always wanted to try a bag with this kind of shape. It almost reminds me of like a little Tootsie Roll. And I do like the silver hardware. It does not have any pockets in it. And I believe it says Coach back here. But this is super cute. I took the little paper off of here. And I like that it has this, like, I guess you can use it as a keychain, but it says Coach on there. And that's really cute. So thank you once again to Miss Shana Nicole. I will leave her channel down below. Check her out. And thank you so much to everyone for watching this. Like, subscribe, and comment. It means the world. I'll see you guys in the next video.